In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. These platforms are part of the Wix website builder suite and are fantastic tools for those wanting to create or manage their own websites. We'll take a closer look at how to log in, edit your site, and manage its publication status. To begin, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to wix.com. Once you're there, click on the login button if you're already a registered user. Simply enter your username and password and you'll be on your way. In case you don't have an account yet, there's an option to sign up, which is a quick and straightforward process to get started with Wix. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, you're just a click away from editing any of your existing sites. Simply locate the Edit Site option. Usually, it's pretty prominent on the dashboard, especially if you already have sites set up. Clicking this will take you into the Wix editor, a powerful tool where creativity meets functionality. Now, say you're working on your site and you need to take it offline perhaps for some extensive updates, or maybe you need to experiment without public interference. This is where Wix gives you flexibility. Look for the Publish button in the Wix editor. This button, when clicked, reveals a toggle switch. To unpublish your site, just toggle the switch to Unpublish. A confirmation box will pop up as a precautionary step. Click Unpublish once more and you're done. Your site goes offline, making it invisible to visitors. But don't worry, you still have full access to make adjustments privately in the editor. Having your site offline can be useful, but when you're ready to showcase your updates to the world, it's time to bring it back online. This is as easy as it gets with Wix. Head back to the Wix editor and find that same Publish button. Clicking it this time will republish your site, making all your saved updates live. Throughout this process, Wix ensures you have complete control over your site's visibility. This can be particularly helpful when you're doing a major overhaul or simply working out a few kinks. Using Wix's user-friendly dashboard and editor, you can have peace of mind that you're equipped to manage your site effectively, whether you're a novice or an experienced web designer. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. With these tools at your disposal, you're just a few clicks away from maintaining and managing your Wix site like a pro. Whether you're putting finishing touches or making significant changes, it's fantastic to know that your website is always in your hands, ready to reach visitors whenever you are.